Okay, so here we are again, my GE fridge, water, no water, and it's because it freezes inside the door. Now what I used to do was take the door off, take everything out the fridge, out the freezer, put the door in the garden and let it thaw out, which took hours. But what I've discovered is we get yourself a nice cup of hot water, and you buy a cheap syringe off eBay with a small medical piece of piping, and you get your hot water and you put it on here, and you find your little hole and you push your pipe up the hole, and it hasn't gone very hot. You'll be careful, you can burn yourself here, and just squirt some hot water up it. Let the hot water go down into the, go up, squirt, and now I'm able to get the pipe up a little further every time. Keep squirting, up it goes, a bit more hot water. Keep going, keep going, and then let's see how we're doing. No, not there yet. Back up the hole. Actually already gone in several inches. So run out. More hot water. Be careful, this is hot. Keep going up. Well, there you go. And we're good. So it doesn't take very long. That's it. Little secret. Hope this was helpful. Catch you soon.